What's up everyone, so today we're learning how to ride a bike because I'm a noob. How about you're a noob? May natomba?
Oh, give me it.
Yo.
I will face with...
Patay yung bike.
No, wag na. Wag na. I will face reveal in first time. I will teach you how to ride a bike. I'm his best friends.
That's my friend.
Ready? One,
Two, three. That's your face.
What's up? Get ready. It's time to ride the bike.
Yeah.
First. Okay, ready to ride the bike? Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Let me show you how to ride the bike.
Uy, hindi pwede. I'm recording a video.
Come here.
Yo, okay?
Okay,
So, I will
watch this. Turn it around.
I can't turn it around.
Watch this.
Yo, can I ride a bike, bro?
Yeah. Let me show you how to go fast. Ganto mo lang. Dito mo lang. Ganyan, doon ka sa sakyan. Saan?
Yung sa BAB?
Yeah.
Okay. Right there.
Okay.
Look at okay.
Now I will teach. Raviel, my best friend. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Get ready.
Okay.
Get ready. This
Step
guy is scared, so don't worry.
Yeah, I'm a scaredy cat.
Yo.
Oh my god. Balance. Oh.
No, I'm balancing.
I'm super
First thing, you have to practice with your grip strength. This thing. You have to practice your brake first. Then you go fast, and you try to go faster. Okay, it's done.